is happening, guys? What is happening? It hasn't hit me yet, but XRP is actually $2.40 right now. What is happening? What is happening? It's actually happening, right? I can't believe that 2017 is being repeated right now. It is. Now, in today's video, guys, is mainly about XRP, all about XRP, because it seems like everyone's attention is on XRP. Oh, I wanted to mention rank number 3, right? The third spot, guys, surpass BNB, Solana, and USDT. Next up, Ethereum, then Bitcoin, right? Probably happens in the year 2025. I'm super excited, guys. I truly am. Guys, I have a hodling bag which I'll literally never touch until I'm not even going to touch. I'm just going to hodl a bag literally forever, for eternity. And then I have a trading bag. I'm in and out. Okay, but mainly what's really happening with XRP, right? What are the price targets, and the reason why I will never sell my hodl bag is due to the utility. Think about it. Utility hasn't even come alive. From Eleanor. New, XRP has just overtaken USDT to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, returning to where it was pre-SEC Ripple lawsuit. There was a time prior to the Hinman speech in June 2018 when the SEC deemed Bitcoin and Ethereum non-securities under the sufficiently decentralized argument that XRP was actually the number 2 largest cryptocurrency by market cap behind Bitcoin. Now, following the speech, Ethereum's market cap overtook XRP's in November 2018, right? Because of the free pass. But now, it's time. XRP is going to get its crown back again. XRP is so on fire right now that the globe is lagging. Look at this, guys. What is this? Right? This imagine, guys, I have deja vu a little bit because I remember, this is odd, end of December, XRP was exploding just like this, right? December time frame, exploding just like today, guys, right? The crazy part is we're not at the end of the cycle either. Okay, so things are just ramping up, guys. I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know, guys. I don't feel anything, right? I'm obviously happy and excited, but I don't think I've realized what's happening to XRP, right? I don't think I've realized, guys. It literally has a 2 handle. It was usually 0, right? The price of XRP was like this, guys, forever. It was like this, right? 0xx, but now it's 2, right? xx. That's ridiculous, right? Oh, I did say when XRP surpasses $2, I'm going to buy a cake, guys, to celebrate, and I did buy a cake today, right? It's crazy. XRP hit over $2 before Bitcoin even hit 100K. What? Because from BC Backer, XRP has now outperformed Bitcoin in 2023 and 2024, but I'm not selling yet. Big short, you know, I'm not selling yet. The sell year for me is 2026. This isn't financial advice, but I'm sorry. I'm literally hodling to my grave. At least for my hodl bag. For XRP has now outperformed Bitcoin in 2023 and 2024 this cycle. Bitcoin, your time has come. XRP is basically the Grim Reaper. Literally. And it's not over yet because the total cryptocurrency market cap increased by over $1 trillion in November. But wait, what is it right now? Let's see. Total market cap is at 3.45 trillion. Brad Garlinghouse said 5 trillion by end of 2024, but he underpredicted that too, right? He thinks maybe 6-7 trillion by end of this year, right? There's only how many more days left, guys? 30 more days, right? About. So our trillions about to flow into crypto, right? Which means XRP should hit $10 this month. End of this month, we'll see. Uphold tweets out, now that XRP has broken out of a major technical pattern, some analysts predict it could reach as high as $14. So what's your take on XRP's long-term potential, guys? For me, I'm saying $100 plus. Okay, this is just my price target, guys. Okay, and I'm going to sell, I think, a portion of my HODL bag this year. Okay, so I don't know how long it'll take us to go to $100 plus. Hopefully by this cycle, because I believe the cycle ends by 2026, right? That's when a new financial system arrives. So something like this, guys, right? 26. That's where every crypto literally explodes. It's already, so we're entering this phase, guys, before the recession strikes, right? Then they're going to print 30 trillion right here, pump it till 2026, right? Coins will literally go demonic mode, heavenly mode. You guys ready? So let's check. I know you know that $14 it's way off. Exactly, right? Add a couple of zeros, much higher than 14. Right, people are saying 4 digits and all types of stuff, guys. Right, 3 digits. What do you guys think? I don't know, but I'm holding to a specific point in time. Now, what I know, you may be saying, wait, XRP, how can it even reach hundreds of dollars? Right, even $50 to some may seem crazy, or even 30, but it doesn't, because market cap doesn't limit its price potential. It's about liquidity, utility, and demand. Discover why Ripple and XRP are redefining the financial system. This is why it doesn't matter. When utility strikes, that's it. It's game over in a positive way.
XRP price is something that a lot of people have wrong. Stop thinking about market cap as the limit for XRP's price potential. Market cap might work for stocks, but XRP isn't a stock. It's a utility asset designed to power payments and settlement in a financial system handling trillions of dollars daily.
Guys, I'm talking about, there's a reason why I'm not going to sell until 2026, because 2026 is I believe is this collapse year, and then they're going to bring upon a new financial system. When they do, a lot of people will be out by then, right? So right now I'm programming my mind to not touch my hold on for dear life bag. Okay, no matter what price XRP goes, even $50 tomorrow, I don't care. I must hold on. But this is just my strategy. Everyone has their own. This is why I stated you have to make up your own strategy. Okay, I'm holding until 2026. That's it. Plus 2026 plus, guys. For my HODL bag, I'll sell a portion then, depending on price. For trading, it's different, right? I'm in and out, and that's completely separate, guys. But that's it.
Market cap doesn't measure liquidity. With liquidity pools and automated market makers, as demand grows, supply starts to shrink and prices go up. As institutional players start pouring billions of dollars into those systems, market cap starts to look pretty meaningless. Here's the real deal. XRP isn't constrained by stock dynamics. Think currency utility, massive transaction flows, and exponential growth. That's the future.
All I'm saying is people are going to get out before anything even happens. This is a financial advice. Do not listen to me. From Credible Crypto, 84 months of sideways price action on XRP erased in a single monthly candle. Legendary. Literally. Right, look at that. I told you guys, it's like a beach ball. Right, when it's underwater, and when you let go of the ball, of the suppression, this is what happens. Okay? This is what happens. Do you not see, right, the analogies that are coming to fruition right now, turning into reality? I told you guys. How? We're not prophets. We're only here to make profits. The crazy part is, this party hasn't even started yet. You will lose sleep, right? Look at this base, guys. That XRP will have to go up in order to match 2017, where it was back then, versus Bitcoin. But then, it's going to probably keep going higher, right, to new uncharted waters, because it's the old paradigm, right? Guys, people are not ready. That's the crazy part. And people are like, oh, XRP is at this price, right? I believe what I believe, and I believe we go higher next year and the year after, especially when utility strikes. We haven't seen the great alchemical ritual yet, so how can XRP be in its true price? It can't before that event. This reversal on inverted Bitcoin dominance that points to a major alt dominance search has a lot of XRP in it. So this is Bitcoin dominance chart, guys, but it's inverted, right? So when we see this pump, it means that altcoins are pumping or outperforming Bitcoin to the highest order, and that's it. XRP is the main driver of alt season. Ethereum isn't, right? Finally, thank goodness. which means when this keeps pumping, guys, right? When the dominance of Bitcoin falls, let's actually check. Oh, I can't. Oh, actually I can. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, guys. This is laughable. Oh my lord. Bitcoin dominance barely did anything, right? Oh, that's not okay. Actually, it did come down a little bit. Alt season is actually happening right now, guys. Wow, right? But the target is another like 30% down, guys. Right? When this happens, all that money will trickle and flow into XRP. Then it's going to flow out of XRP probably to different coins after. Right? So things are looking insane, guys. And that's not even the crazy part, because what I believe will happen is dump, pump, dump. And when this happens, when it breaks out of this pattern, guys, right, it's going to be demonic. Nobody's ready, literally. A very larger order of 2.1 million XRP just executed on Binance. These are not whales, they are institutions buying. Exactly. XRP is more popular than crypto, according to Google Trends. Look at this. XRP literally has beat the search term crypto, guys, right? In popularity, insanity. So November's bullish because it's pumping, right? People are FOMOing in. I told you guys, if you're in, you're in. If you're out, you're out. Because now people don't know whether to buy or not. It's crazy, right? We're in the wild, wild west, guys. I'm glad I'm in, though. And hopefully you are too. Not financial advice. November's most bullish developments for Ripple and XRP. Play. And you're still bearish? How? Why?
I think it might be safe to say the XRP train has left the station. Here are November's most bullish developments for Ripple and XRP. 21 shares files for an XRP ETF. Donald Trump wins the U.S. presidency, says we're going to embrace the future with crypto and leave the outdated banks behind.
That's what we want to do.
Brad Garlinghouse tweets the opportunity for those who believe in the future for XRP is enormous. Brad Garlinghouse talks XRP on the BBC. Trump announces his crypto agenda, foreshadowing a starring role for Ripple and XRP. For example, he mentions fostering tokens pegged to the dollar, while Ripple's dollar-pegged stablecoin Real USD goes live in 3 days. He mentions forming a crypto presidential advisory council, while Garlinghouse went on Fox wearing his XRP shirt and confirmed Ripple already met with Trump. Meld Gold and XRP Ledger unite to digitalize the gold market. Ripple's Jack McDonald in Digital Chamber meets with Federal Reserve Governor Bowman to discuss stablecoins. Trump proposes to eliminate capital gains tax on cryptos issued in the U.S. Robinhood expands crypto offerings to include XRP. 18 U.S. states filed to sue the SEC, accusing them of unconstitutional overreach and unfair prosecution of the crypto industry. Societe Generale Forge announces the launch of its Euro-pegged stablecoin on the XRPL. XRP pumps above $1 for the first time since 2021, and on David Schwartz's birthday. CEO of SBI Global Yoshitaka Kitao tweets Ripple should IPO as soon as the SEC matter is settled. Says Ripple will be listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Ex-Goldman Sachs Kirk Stokes named sales director of Ripple. Wisdom Tree launches a physical XRP ETP. XRPL gets connected to 50+ blockchains through Grove. Gary Gensler resigns and gets trolled by the entire crypto community, including Elon Musk. Axelar, an interoperability platform connecting 80+ blockchains, adds the XRPL, bridging the gap between Ethereum and XRP. Debut of Rigged from the Start, formerly XRP Unleashed, a brilliant documentary with lots of familiar faces that exposes the SEC war on crypto. XRP officially outperforms Bitcoin for 2024. Trump picks Scott Bessent to serve as Treasury Secretary. Garlinghouse calling him the most pro-innovation, pro-crypto Treasury Sec we've ever seen. XRP open interest hits an all-time high. Wisdom Tree registers for a spot XRP ETF. Ripple partners with ARCAX to debut the first tokenized money market fund on the XRPL. XRPL meme coins officially debut on Dex Screener. Ripple backs Bitwise physical XRP ETP, and Bitwise has already begun promoting it. By the way, the CIO of Bitwise follows 589 people. The XRPL Foundation is officially incorporated. And finally, former CFTC chair predicts the SEC will drop the Ripple case.
And you're still bearish? How? Remember, if you have been wondering how RLUSD can affect XRP's price, let's break it down. More RLUSD transactions mean more activity on the XRP ledger, right? XRP as a native currency gets used for fees and bridges, driving its demand higher demand equal potential price increase, right? It's just a positive, guys. Look how many more things are coming. The case hasn't even ended. Trump hasn't even set into office yet. Wow. Take a moment to be in the present moment and witness it all. Now, financial advice, I'm truly excited. My name is SoFace Mason. See ya.